Hello everyone. So here we are given a nice geometric problem involving a square and a triangle, and it is being asking us about the angle CBP shown here. Let me assign a variable theta, and we are given five options to figure out what that angle theta will be. So I will say you guys go ahead and answer this in the comments if you feel like you know the angle theta, and then we will go over step by step how we can calculate this angle theta here. Okay, so looking at our triangle here, and let's review some of the information that is given to us in the problem. That point M is the midpoint of segment BC and AP here. Okay, and meaning the distance from B to M is identical to the distance from M to C. Moreover, the distance from A to M is identical to the distance from M to P here. Okay, and since it is a square, this angle will be 90 degrees. Okay, now let's say if I go ahead and draw a horizontal line from point C to point P, this angle will also be 90 degrees. Okay, so since I have two of the sides, two of these right angle triangles having same lengths of the sides, so they are identical to one another, meaning if this is x, this distance is also x here. Okay, now let's go ahead and draw two more lines. Let's say I draw a vertical from point P downwards, and I draw a horizontal line from B all the way till it intersects our vertical line. And if you look at this, we have another square here from B, C, P, and let us give a variable Z here. Okay, so I have these two squares. Now we are interested in angle theta that is formed by the line segment BP, that is basically the diagonal of the square. Okay, so since it's a diagonal, then this angle will also be equals to theta. Now if you recall, for a square the internal angle is equals to 90 degrees, so the value of theta will be 45.